Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to trade prop firm accounts directly on TradingView. First, you need to retrieve your credentials. Log into your prop firm dashboard. For example, if you use FTMO, find the login details for your trading platform. Make sure you get the credentials for the broker your prop firm uses. This could be Tradivate, DXTrade, forex.com, or TradeLocker. Next, open TradingView in your browser and sign in. Look at the top right corner of the screen for the Trade button and click it. Now, select the platform or broker. If you are trading futures, choose Tradivate from the list of supported brokers. If you are trading forex or CFDs, look for the specific broker your prop firm uses. This could be Oanda, forex.com, or platforms like DXTrade if they are listed in the panel. After selecting the broker, a pop-up window will appear asking for your credentials. Enter the username and password you retrieved from your prop firm dashboard. Pay attention to the account type. Select Demo if you are still testing or live if your account is funded. Make sure this matches the instructions from your prop firm to avoid mistakes. Once your credentials are accepted, TradingView will connect to your account. You will see your account balance, available symbols, and other trading information in the trading panel. Thanks for watching.